Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all of you in the e-learning class of Social Science once again. Today we will start with a new lesson, Lesson 5, the Southern Plateau and the Islands. This lesson is divided into two parts, the Southern Plateau and the Islands. In this part of the video, we are going to learn about the Southern Plateau. Let us start with Get Set. Which of the following statements about the plateaus is incorrect? First, it is a flat-topped land with steep sides. Yes, this statement is correct. Glaciers are found in plateaus. This statement is wrong. The Deccan Plateau is in the southern part of India. Yes, this statement is also correct. Now let us start with the lesson. The southern plateaus are located to the south of the northern plains. They extend from the south of northern plains to Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. They are triangular in shape and are surrounded by many hill ranges. The surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven. Okay, now let us know what is a plateau. A plateau is a land which has a flat top and steep sides. Since it looks like a table, a plateau is also called a tableland. Most of the rivers in the southern plateaus are not as long as those in the northern plains. They, however, flow with a great speed. On their way, they form many waterfalls. What are waterfalls? When a river or a stream falls from the edge of a mountain or a plateau, it forms a waterfall. This is the Jog Falls in Karnataka and lies in the plateau region. The Narmada River roughly divides the plateau region into two parts, the Central Highlands towards the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The Central Highlands. The Central Highlands are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the northeast, the Vindhya Ranges towards the south, the Chota Nagpur Plateau towards the east, and the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. Many rivers of the Central Highlands join the Yamuna and the Ganga from the south. Chambal, Betwa and Son are a few of these rivers. The Chota Nagpur Plateaus covers Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. The region has large deposits of coal and other important minerals. The Deccan Plateau, which is the southern part of the plateau, extends from river Narmada up to the southern tip of peninsular India. Anai Mudi is the highest peak in this region. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. These Ghats meet at the Nilgiri Hills. Many rivers such as Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originate from the Western Ghats and flow eastwards. The Eastern Ghats are broken into small hill ranges by rivers flowing from the Western Ghats. Most of these rivers fall into the Bay of Bengal. Godavari is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. Life in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateaus cover the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. These states have rich deposits of minerals such as coal, iron ore, copper, and manganese. Mining is an important activity in the southern plateaus. Farming is also an important occupation. The farmers grow wheat, rice, millets, groundnut, cotton, and sugarcane. Madhya Pradesh. Farming and mat weaving are the main occupations here. Panna has diamond mines. Indore, Bhopal, Gwalior, and Jabalpur are industrial cities in Madhya Pradesh. The Kanha National Park and the Bandhavgarh National Park protects tigers. Panchmari, Sanchi, and Khajuraho attracts many tourists. Now, let us read about Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is very rich in minerals. Many minerals are found here. Tin is also mined in Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh is also rich in forest products. People collect wood, tendu leaves, honey, and lark from forests. Bhilai has a steel plant. Saila is a popular folk dance. Jharkhand. Jharkhand is rich in minerals like other states of southern plateau. The availability of minerals has led to the growth of industries in Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Ranchi, and Dhanbad. People are fond of litti choka and Thekua. Chow is a popular dance. People wear masks while performing the Chow dance. Now let us read about Telangana. Hyderabad is capital of Telangana. Hyderabad has many industries. Some of them are information technology, IT industries, automobiles, and pharmaceuticals industries. Most of the people speak Telugu here. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance of this state. The state is famous also for its bidri work. Karnataka. Coffee and spices are grown in Karnataka. Kolar has gold mines. Bengaluru is the major center of the IT industries. Main IT industries have their offices in Bengaluru. The state is famous for handicraft items made of sandalwood. People speak Kannada. Yakshgana is a popular dance drama. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for cotton and oranges. Mumbai and Pune are industrial cities of Maharashtra. Large deposits of petroleum are found in the seabed near Mumbai. This region is called Mumbai High. Marathi is widely spoken here. Ganesh Chaturthi is a popular festival. Lavani is a popular folk dance of Maharashtra. Thank you, students.